Hello and welcome. This is a beginner's guide to mindful breathing meditation. So, what I want you to do is sit down on a chair or a couch. Okay, be seated. Now, have your feet shoulder width apart. Relax your shoulders. Put your hands on the top of your thighs. Okay, on the top. On top of your legs, basically. Now, you see how your hands and your arms are not being pushed down by gravity. See how they're relaxed? They're right above your thighs. Okay. Now, lift your chin up a little bit, just a little, not too much. Push your shoulders back a little bit. And straighten out your spine and neck. Now your back is perfectly straight. And if your eyes are open, you will be seen directly in front of you. Okay? If your eyes are closed, then you're doing it right. Close your eyes now. Focus on your breath. Now inhale through your nose. Exhale with your mouth. Push your stomach in just a little bit to get a little extra air out. Now again, focus on the oxygen that's coming in through your nostrils. Feel your stomach expand. Now exhale. Push your stomach in ever so slightly, not strenuously. And inhale again. Exhale. Now we're going to go on to a little more advanced breathing. When you breathe in, breathe in a little bit more oxygen through your mouth. Just a little bit more, just 1 second. Hold your breath for 2 seconds. And then exhale 4 to 5 seconds out. Push your stomach in. Now you will feel your body completely relaxed. If any thoughts come into your mind, just say next. Now go back to the breathing we started with. Just breathe in and focus on the air coming in through your nostrils. Now hold it for 1 second and then exhale out. Push your stomach in. Now breathe in through your nostrils. Focus on your nostrils. Hold your breath 1 second. Then exhale. Push your stomach in. Now you're doing this consciously, but throughout the day you will see that you will breathe this way. Inhale deeply. Feel your stomach and your chest fill up with air. Hold your breath for 1 second. And exhale. Push your stomach in to allow more air out. you will feel your body getting happy and relaxed. You can be in this state every single day. It comes through practice. Now, one more, we're gonna do the advanced breath. So inhale. When you can't no more, use your mouth to bring in just a little bit for 1 second. Hold it for 2 seconds, then exhale. And push that inflated stomach inward ever so slightly. Again, breathe in. Hold your breath for 1 second and breathe out. The key is to stay focused on your breath. The oxygen coming in, the pause, and the exhale. Being mindful of your breath and your body. You can open your eyes now. This meditation is complete. I recommend 15 minutes a day. Set your timer for 16 minutes. Allow your body to get in position. And you do this 15 minutes a day, every day, to have peace and tranquility in your life. If you want, you can also improve by doing 30 minutes after you've done 15 the next time around, then 45, and an hour. Just to challenge yourself mentally and physically. It's a good exercise. I found doing 15 minutes